Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for many home and office users. A replacement AC-DC power adapter specifically designed for the popular Brother P-Touch label printers. This particular unit is a 9V2A adapter with a 5.5*2.5mm connector, making it a perfect match for models like the PT-D200, PT-D200 VP, and the PT-D210. Anyone who owns one of these fantastic label makers knows how indispensable they are for organizing everything from files and folders to pantry items and craft supplies. The PT-D200 and PT-D210 are known for their ease of use and crisp, monochrome label output. However, like any electronic device, they rely on a consistent power source. It's not uncommon for original power adapters to get misplaced, damaged, or simply wear out over time. That's where a reliable replacement like this one comes into play. This generic brand adapter is engineered to deliver the precise voltage and amperage required by your Brother P-Touch printer. The 9-volt output and 2-amp current ensure that your device receives stable power, preventing any potential performance issues or damage that could arise from an incompatible power supply. The 5.5*2.5 barrel connector is a standard size for these printers, guaranteeing a snug and secure fit, so you won't have to worry about loose connections interrupting your labeling tasks. One of the main advantages of opting for a well-specified generic replacement is the cost-effectiveness, without compromising on functionality. While it might not carry the Brother brand name, its specifications are identical to the original, meaning your printer will operate just as it should. It's a practical solution for those needing a spare adapter for a different location, or a direct replacement for a lost or broken one. Imagine being in the middle of a big organizing project, only to find your printer's battery is dead and the charger is nowhere to be found. Having a dependable AC adapter on hand ensures uninterrupted productivity. The build quality, while generic, typically focuses on meeting the necessary safety and performance standards. Users can expect it to provide consistent power, allowing their PT-D200 or PT-D210 to print those clear, professional-looking labels without a hitch. It's a straightforward, no-frills product that simply gets the job done, ensuring your monochrome label printer is always ready for action. This adapter is truly a lifesaver for anyone relying on their Brother P-Touch for daily organizational needs, offering peace of mind that their labeling tasks won't be stalled by power issues.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.